Getting a new phone? These phone transfer tools can help you move your data quickly and safely. Today, we'll review 7 of the best options, including their pros, cons, and user experience. Top 1. Best phone transfer app. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile makes it easy to move contacts, messages, photos, videos, music, apps, and more between Android and iPhone. It transfers data directly while keeping your original files safe. Step 1. Connect both phones. Install the software on your computer. Then use USB cables to connect both phones. Follow any on-screen prompts to allow the program to recognize them. Enable USB debugging on Android. Trust your computer on iPhone. Step 2. Confirm devices. Check the source and destination phones. Click Flip to switch positions if needed. Step 3. Select and transfer. Choose the data types you want and click Start Copy to begin. Top 2. WeTransfer. Sharing large files between devices can be handled through WeTransfer, which lets users send photos, videos, documents, and other files from one phone to another. Top 3. Send Anywhere. A simple key-based transfer method is available with Send Anywhere, which allows users to move files between smartphones using a 6-digit code or share link. The app supports photos, videos, audio files, and documents across Android and iOS devices. Top 4. InShare. Moving files wirelessly between Android phones is possible with InShare, an app that transfers photos, videos, music, apps, and documents without cables. It creates a direct connection between the sender and receiver devices for local sharing. Top 5. LocalSend. Cross-device sharing within the same network is supported by LocalSend, which helps users transfer files between phones, computers, and other devices. It can send photos, videos, documents, and other data without using cloud storage. Top 6. EasyShare. For users changing phones within supported brands, EasyShare provides a way to move contacts, photos, videos, apps, and other files between devices. The tool creates a wireless connection between two phones and does not rely on cables or mobile data. Top 7. SHAREit. Wireless data migration is also available through SHAREit, which allows users to transfer photos, videos, music, apps, and documents between smartphones. The app uses a direct wireless connection instead of traditional cables for moving files.